What's going on, guys? Dr. Greg here with Movement Driven Performance Physiotherapy. Today we're going to talk about a slide lunge laterally to work on the adductor muscles, which are your groin muscles, and building a good amount of strength and stability. Super important for my soccer players, hockey players, football players. Tend to get a lot of groin pulls, basketball as well, any sport where there's a lot of agility, tennis even, especially if you're playing on a clay court. So if you're having some groin pain or you're in one of those sports, this is a good one to add to the program. So what you're going to do is take a slider. You can use a towel as well on a hard surface. If you're doing these at home and you're on carpet, a paper plate works really well because it just slides across the carpet. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that slider or the towel or the paper plate, put it on the floor right there, okay? So we're going to be focusing on doing a lunge on one side, and we're going to be sliding this out to the side. Now what I tell people is there's two different ways to do this. We can either just do kind of a normal slide lunge where my belt buckle is going straight down. I'm basically doing a squat on this side in that nice squat form, chest over knees over toes. And when I have my belt buckle straight down, I'm really just doing a single leg squat with some assistance from this side. Now, to get the groin muscles more involved and build up some strength and stability in that region, what I want you to do is think about that belt buckle not going straight down and up, but actually going on a diagonal. The further you go out, the more groin you have to use. So start with a very slight diagonal, maybe 20 to 30 degrees. And so my belt buckle's right here. I'm going down and out. Now when I come back up, what I want to do is push that slider into the floor, into my other foot, and use the groin to kind of squeeze and lift back up. This is kind of a difficult concept for some people to grasp. They want to just, what they'll do is they'll come out, and then they'll kind of do a scoop motion where they'll scoop and come back up. I want you to do a straight diagonal back and forth. So we're coming slightly out, and then I'm squeezing my feet together and using these muscles in the groin to pull myself back up to that starting position. So again, I don't want to come out and then lean and scoop up because then it's all putting it on this side. I want to use both sides by going out and coming diagonally back up. Make sure that knee doesn't cave in. Make sure we're not putting too much weight out here and getting too far because then you actually potentially strain that groin muscle. So start small, feel it in the groin. Let me know how it goes.